We can produce the exact genetic copies of the animals, of the elite animals, whether they are racing champions, whether they are good milk animals, whether they are elite bulls, or whether they are beauty queens. At present, we are concentrating on camels because we have so much demand for cloning camels that we are not able to cope up with the demand. We have cloned some of the beauty queens also, and they are genetically same, exactly genetic same copy of the beauty queens. Now the question is whether they will, be beauty queens. They will be exactly same genetically. We produced our first baby, which was called Injaz. That was the world's first clone camel in 2009. And from 2009 onwards, then there was no go back. We are producing plenty of, maybe more than 10, 20 babies every year.